Hello students, standard 7 in chapter number 3, data handling. We learn the values, representative values, which are also known as the measures of central tendency, which are median, mean and mode. Now in exercise 3.2 we finished question number 1 and 2. Now going to start the third one. The weights in kilogram of 15 students of 15 students of a class are 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 47 and 15. Yes. Now first question is, find the mode and median of this data. Find the mode and median of this data. Now we know that to find the mode, we have to check that which observation occurs more often. So here you can see that number 43 is coming 3 times, the most often. But I can see that number 38 is also coming 3 times. So now which we will take as a mode? Because both the observations 38 and 43 occurs more often. So in this case we already learned that the data can have more than one mode also. So here we will write down the observations (38) and 43 both occurs more often. Say 3 times. Therefore, mode of the data are 38 and 43. Both are the mode. Now we have to find the median also. And we know that to find the median, we have to arrange them in ascending order. We can write down here, arranging the observations in ascending order. So first of all we have to check which is the smallest one. Here you will see that 32 is the smallest one. So that is finished. Then 35 will be next. Then 36, 37, 38 comes 3 times. So 38, 38, 38. Then next will be 40. After 40, 42. Then 43, 3 times. Three times, then 45 and 47. Make sure all 15 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We missed something. 32, then 35, 36, 37, 38, 3 times, 40, 42, 43, 43. We missed the 50. Last. 47 and last is the 50. So now, which is in the middle? There are how many? 15. So we can divide them in 7 and 7, then 1 will be in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 40 is in the middle. So observation. 40 is in the middle. Therefore, median of the data is equal to, actually we have to write down kilogram here also, 38 kilogram and 43 kilogram. So by this way we see that find median. There is another question also. Is there more than one mode? Is there more than one mode? So you see that here we find it, there are 2 modes. So you can get down. Yes, this data has more than one. You can write down in bracket 2 modes. So by this way we find the mode and median of the question number 3. Number 4. Find the mode and median. Mode and median of the data and data are 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we have to find the mode and median. Now to find the mode, check which observation coming, occur most time. Here you can say 13 is also repeating, but only 2 times. 12 is repeating only 2 times, but 14 occur most often 3 times. Therefore, the mode will be 14. So we will write down here. Here, the observation 14 occurs more often. I mean times 3 times. Therefore, the mode of the data is 3. I mean, sorry, not 3. 14. 14 is occurring 3 times. It means that the mode of the data is 14. Now we have to find the median also. And you know that what do we do to find the median? Either we arrange them in increasing or decreasing order. So we will arrange them in increasing order. Arranging the observations in increasing order. So for increasing order, smallest, first we have to find the smallest is the number 12, which occurs 2 times. So 12, 12, then 13, 13, 2 times, then 14, 1, 2 and 3 times, 14, 14, 14. Then which will be the next? 16 and then 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yeah, all are here. So now we arrange them in the increasing order. So now if you make 2 parts, 9 means 4 and 4 plus 1. So from here 4 and from the back side 4, then the 14. So 14 is in the middle. Therefore, the median of the data, is 14. Now question number 5, in which there are statements we have to tell them they are true or false. Tell whether the statement is true or false. Chalo, first one is the mode is always one of the numbers, one of the numbers in data. Now, you know most, when we find the mode, what do we observe? That which observation occurs more often. it means it is one of the observation only. So the mode is always one of the number in data. So this statement is true. Check the second one. The second one is the mean is one of the numbers in a data. One of the numbers in data. Now, when we find the mean, what do? We add the observations and divide it by the number of observations. So what happens? It not always be the answer which is in the data, but it is between the highest and the lowest observation. But not always it will be a number in a data. So in the case of mean, it is false. It cannot be the true. Third one. The median is always one of the numbers in a data. One of the numbers in a data. Now, when we find a median, what do? We arrange them in increasing order. And then whatever the number is exactly in the middle, means it is one of the number in the data. But actually, in this standard, it will be true. So we will write down here true, but when you go to the higher standard, because you remember, here we accepted that we can find median only when the number of observations is odd number. Means either 3 observations, 5 observations, 7 observations, and so on. But what about the number of observations is even? 6 observations, 8 observations. Then you will see that you will learn in the higher standard about it. That time the median will not be always the observation in a data. So for this standard you have to write down it is true. But in the next standard you will not write down like that. So here we can say that it is true. But next year, or maybe in the 9th standard when you learn, then you will see that there will be wrong. Because it can be different number outside the data also. Fourth one, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9. 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. Has mean 9. Now here, in this situation, sometimes students are making mistakes. You know why? Because see, they will see 9 is 2 times. Yeah, that is the most often. It occurs most often, therefore it is mode. But it is mode, not mean. Here they ask mean. If it was mode, the answer was right that 9 occurs more often. But they will not think about it. They will see that 9 is 2 times, the answer is right. 9 is the answer. But it is not the mode. We have to find the mean here. So we have to find the mean because we can't do it directly. So mean is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9. Divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you have to add them and divide by 8. 30, 42, 55, 64. 64 divided by 8, 64 is equal to 8. It means that the statement is false, because the mean of this observation is 8, not 9. If it was mode, that was the right answer. But here it is mean, and mean is 8. Therefore, the statement is false. So we are going to finish today's session. And as usual, you will get PDF file, maybe some examples for your practice. And if any query, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.